Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
String manipulation in Java can be tricky, but we will solve this method called together in just a few quick steps. Let's go right now. The code uses a while loop to find the index of the substring n. It then cuts that part out by joining the pieces before and after the target characters. In the first pass, the word sing becomes si because the ng at the end is removed. The loop then updates the string and looks for the next occurrence immediately. Next, the ng in song is found and deleted. This leaves us with the final result, C, the so. That makes option B our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps carefully.